welcome to my channel, or welcome back. If you are new here, thank you so much for joining us. If you are returning, you already know it. You are fabulous. All right, guys, so today's video, this is a chit chat video. This is just to catch up with you guys. I told y'all I was going to start trying to do this at least once every other week, if not every week. So I'm just catching up with y'all. I just wanted to sit down, talk to you guys for a little bit, and hang out. I love that. I love that so much. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I hope that you guys enjoy this, and let's jump in. Okay, so I was sitting down, I was thinking, you guys know I like to make notes. So I was making myself some notes about what I wanted to talk to you guys about today. And I thought, you know what? I don't have a lot going on this week. So as far as like personal stuff, I really don't have a lot to talk about. And I told them pretty much everything I wanted to tell them about upcoming things in my last chit chat video. So I thought, what are we going to talk about today? Like, I just want to sit down and hang out with them for a little bit. So what can I talk about? Well, what do I talk about the best? What do I talk about the most? What do I talk about with my friends? What are some things that I constantly am like telling other people? About Dollar Tree, you guys, and the Dollar General. That's all I talk about. So we're going to talk about some fun facts about those two stores today. All right, let's do it. So I hope that these are some things that like help you out when you're shopping in these stores, or when you're trying to find different stuff and you're looking for the best deal and you're shopping on a budget. I hope that these tips and tricks like help you guys. So anyways, starting off, did you guys know that the Dollar Tree often carries major brands, like name brand items? They have surplus of other stores, you guys. They get like the extras from other stores, and then they put them into their store for $1.25. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I have found name brand stuff at the Dollar Tree, and then I look it up on Amazon and it be $12, $15, and I just bought it for $1.25. I cannot tell you, I cannot count on two hands the amount of times that I have found name brand in the Dollar Tree. So always keep your eyes out for stuff like that. And definitely, if you are looking for something in particular, try the Dollar Tree first. You never know. They may have it, or they may have something similar to what you're looking for on a budget, like a major budget. So check out the Dollar Tree for extra stuff like that. Okay, something else. They are seasonal gold mines, you guys. Gold mines. If you haven't already seen my Dollar General Hidden Gems video, go check it out, please. You're not going to be disappointed, I promise, because there is some super cute stuff in that video. Oh my goodness, you guys. The amount of stuff that I found for Halloween that is so stinking cute. And I'm being serious. It's not creepy. It's not gory. It's not scary. None of that. Cute stuff for Halloween, for heaven's sakes. And then in that same sentence, let me go ahead and say that they have fall stuff that is absolutely gorgeous at the Dollar General store. You guys, Dollar Tree and Dollar General are known for putting out like seasonal decor well in advance of the holidays. They put out stuff like right now, the Dollar Tree is already starting to put out Christmas, for heaven's sakes. I was just in the Dollar Tree the other day and literally filmed it. And I said in the video, I was like, oh my gosh, you guys, it's not even September and they already have Halloween out. I mean, not Halloween, Christmas. They already have Christmas coming out in the Dollar Tree. So always check the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General for anything that you are looking for seasonal wise, and start checking early. That's when to check, is to start looking for it early. Because if you don't, you're not going to find those unique pieces, those like standout pieces, because somebody else has already bought it. So people like me are in there looking for it, okay? So you've got to be looking, and definitely know that they put out that stuff well in advance. So you've got plenty of time to find what you're looking for, decide on what you want everything to look like, and then go out and try to find what it is that you want to decorate with. Okay, something else that I was going to tell you guys, and most of you already know this, but those of you that just watch like the Hidden Gem videos, or maybe you're new to my channel and that's all you've seen is Hidden Gem videos, because I haven't done very many DIYs in a long time. Anyways, you need to know that the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree both have DIY potential. There are so many items in those stores that have potential. the vases, the picture frames, the craft items that they sell at the Dollar Tree. Guys, a little creativity, slap some paint on it, and I'm telling you, you can make some high-end looking items out of budget-friendly home decor pieces that you have found at the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree. And a lot of times the Dollar General stuff, you don't even have to do anything to it. It's already cute the way it comes. So just know that there is so much potential in these little Dollar Tree and Dollar General pieces that you find. Okay, so did you know that the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General have store layout secrets? Yes. Both Dollar General and the Dollar Store are often, they place the new items at the front of the store. So checking out those displays at the front of the store first can often help you find and snag those fancy items, those newest items, the latest trends. Check out the front of the store. On that note, did you know that the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General have very fast, like, turnover times? So they stock their shelves literally multiple times a week sometimes. And if you go in there and check often enough, you're going to find some cute stuff. You're going to snag those awesome items that everybody's getting, or you're going to get it before it's gone. You know what I'm saying? You have to check though. That's why I'm always telling you guys, as far as like the hidden gems and stuff like that, you've got to go in and look. That is how I find this stuff. I have people ask me all the time, like, oh my gosh, I never find anything when I go in there. And you always get the good stuff. I never see anything. I go often, you guys. I go a lot. I don't always buy something, but I go and I look and I see what's new and I try to find the newest items and I watch videos. I watch YouTube videos all the time on like Dollar Tree hauls and Dollar General hauls. I constantly watch those kind of videos because I'm looking to see what's the next thing coming out. What's the newest thing somebody has found? What do I need to be on the lookout for? But if you will go and check your stores, you will find stuff. You will find some nice stuff if you just go and check the stores often enough. Also, the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree have like limited edition type items. They sell for only a like short amount of time, and they'll have just so many of them. And then those type pieces to me can turn into like collector's pieces or, you know, unique gifts or stuff like that because they're one of a kinds. Does that make sense? I hope that made sense. But anyways, check your stores for stuff like that because you never know what you might find. Okay, so we kind of touched on this just a minute ago, but did you know that you can get an upscale look for less? You can combine Dollar Tree and Dollar General items with a little creativity and a little paint, like I said. And you can literally recreate expensive items. You can get on Pinterest and find, you know, say you like the way that this room looks. I like that couch with that book on that table with that vase and those flowers. Okay, keep that in your head. Now, go to the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General. Look around, see if you can find something similar to what you saw, and then go back home and put it out just like you saw it in the picture. You can literally recreate the trends and the stuff online by going to these stores and looking, because I have found several things from the Dollar General or the Dollar Tree that were trendy items that had just come out, you know, and the big box stores and the whatever. And I found it at the Dollar General store. I cannot tell you the amount of times that I've had people come in my house and say, oh my gosh, where did you get that at? And I'm like, Dollar General. Or I'll have people come in my house and be like, oh my God, where did you get that? And I'm like, I made it. Girl, I made that. Thank you. No, but seriously though, you can definitely take those items, add a little creativity to it, and really up your game, up the look of your home and your home decor by using inexpensive items. Did you also know that you can get like under the radar finds? Stuff that goes overlooked. People overlook it. Go to the Dollar Tree, go to the Dollar General, and look. You've got to check the aisles. You've got to check under and low and high and above and below and everywhere, okay? If you want to find these awesome finds, you have to be looking. Both the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree y'all, there's a fly. Both the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General, if you look in their craft section and their kitchen section, from glassware to organizational items, you can find quality products in those stores, especially organization. If you're trying to redo your pantry, go to the Dollar Tree or the Dollar General first before you go to the Container Store. Y'all, this fly is driving me crazy. Anyways, go to the Dollar General, go to the Dollar Tree, see what they have. I'm telling you, you can find some nice looking stuff in these stores. And especially with stuff like that, like containers, bins, organizational type pieces, dividers, that kind of stuff, you can get it for so much cheaper at the Dollar General and the Dollar Tree. And it's the exact same thing that you would buy if you went to the Container Store or Hobby Lobby or somewhere like that. Same thing. You're just getting it for cheaper. And last but not least, did you know that the Dollar General has coupons? So if you pair the coupons with the already low prices, you're going to get some incredible deals. I'm telling you. I messed up a couple years ago and opened myself a Dollar General app. I got the app, whatever, enrolled in the Dollar General coupons. Well, I ended up losing that phone and I got a new phone, changed my telephone number, blah, blah, blah. It's a long story, but whatever. I don't have that phone anymore. Well, now when I try to log into it, it'll try to send me a code, but it sends it to the wrong phone. It's like sending it to this old phone that I do not have anymore. So anyways, don't be like me and set up something crazy on your phone, but definitely try out the couponing from the Dollar General, because seriously, you guys, there are some awesome deals that you can find in the like household essentials and the decor departments of the Dollar General, especially if you combine those coupons with, like I said, the already low prices. Incredible deals. And also, if you save your receipt, it gives you a $5 coupon for $5 off $25 or more on the Saturday of that week. Like, if you go on a Tuesday, keep your receipt, because that coming Saturday, you can use that $5 off. And I do it all the time. And if you just ask them at the register sometimes on Saturdays, if you just say, hey, do you have an extra coupon? A lot of times they will just give you a coupon. So try it out. Just check it out and see what you think. All right, guys, I guess that's it for today. I don't know much else to talk about besides the Dollar Tree and the Dollar General. And I just thought I would give you guys some tips and tricks and just some info about it. So anyways, I hope that you guys have enjoyed this. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Listen, it definitely helps my channel and I need the help. So please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends and family and subscribe. That would be awesome. Plus, hit that notification bell so that you will know each time I upload a new video. All right. Thank you all so much for being with me today. And y'all have a blessed day.